Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn about verb forms in English. Verbs starting with letter N. Name, named, named. Name, named, named. Nose, nosed, nosed. Nose, nosed, nosed. Nest, nested, nested. Nest, nested, nested. Neglect, neglected, neglected. Neglect, neglected, neglected. Nay, neighed, neighed. Nay, neighed, neighed. Nag, nagged, nagged. Nag, nagged, nagged. Nitrify, nitrified, nitrified. Nitrify, nitrified, nitrified. Nip, nipped, nipped. Nip, nipped, nipped. Narrow, narrowed, narrowed. Narrow, narrowed, narrowed. Nail, nailed, nailed. Nail, nailed, nailed. Need, needed, needed. Need, needed, needed. Nab, nabbed, nabbed. Nab, nabbed, nabbed. Nod, nodded, nodded. Nod, nodded, nodded. Narrate, narrated, narrated. Narrate, narrated, narrated. Nestle, nestled, nestled. Nestle, nestled, nestled. Null, gnarled, gnarled. Null, gnarled, gnarled. Neck, nacked, nacked. Neck, nacked, nacked. Nurture, nurtured, nurtured. Nurture, nurtured, nurtured. Notice, noticed, noticed. Notice, noticed, noticed. Nostrify, nostrified, nostrified. Nostrify, nostrified, nostrified. Niggard, niggarded, niggarded. Niggard, niggarded, niggarded. Noodle, noodled, noodled. Noodle, noodled, noodled. Number, numbered, numbered. Numbered, numbered, numbered. Nigger, niggered, niggered. Nigger, niggered, niggered.